کتابونه بیگ کې کېږده.
Put your books in the bag. Put your books in the bag.
تکرار کړه.
Repeat it. Repeat it.
مانا رستو تکرار کا.
Repeat after me. Repeat after me.
بیا کوشش وکړه.
Try again. Try again.
راپاسا.
Get up. Get up.
راویښ شه.
Wake up. Wake up.
راځه چې انګلیسي زده کړو.
Let's learn English. Let's learn English.
حرکت مکوا.
Don't move. Don't move.
دلتا وګورا.
Look here. Look here.
ماتا وګورا.
Look at me. Look at me.
نور څه.
Anything else? Anything else?
نور څه هم نه.
Nothing else. Nothing else.
دا واخلا.
Take it. Take it.
دا صفا کړه.
Clean it. Clean it.
دا پخپله وکړه.
Do it by yourself. Do it by yourself.
دا پخپله ولیکه.
Write it by yourself. Write it by yourself.
همیشه رښتیا وایا.
Always tell the truth. Always tell the truth.
زه همیشه رښتیا وایم.
I always tell the truth. I always tell the truth.
هغه همیشه دروغ وایي.
He always tells lie. He always tells lie.
دروغ مه وایه.
Don't tell lie. Don't tell lie.
احتیاط کوه.
Be careful. Be careful.
دا څه شی دی؟
What is this? What is this?
دا زما قلم دی.
This is my pen. This is my pen.
همدا اوس.
Right now. Right now.
ماته غوږ شه.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
تا ته پته شته؟
Do you know? Do you know?
ماته پته نشته.
I don't know. I don't know.
هیڅ چاته هم پته نشته.
No one knows. No one knows.
ولې؟
Why? Why?
څه مسله نشته.
No matter. No matter.
دا وخوره.
Eat it. Eat it.
دا اوسکا.
Drink it. Drink it.
ته سبق ولې نه وې؟
Why don't you study? Why don't you study?
ته ولې نه راځې؟
Why don't you come? Why don't you come?
ته چپ ولې؟
Why are you silent? Why are you silent?
آیا ته مریض یې؟
Are you sick? Are you sick?
نه نه یم.
No, I'm not. No, I am not.
خاموشه.
Keep quiet. Keep quiet.
تیاره شه.
Get ready. Get ready.
دننه راشه.
Come in. Come in.
په ما یقین وکړه.
Believe me. Believe me.
مهرباني وکړه. پوه شه.
Please understand. Please understand.
اوس زما نمبر دی.
Now it's my turn. Now it's my turn.
زه وږی یم.
I am hungry. I am hungry.
زه تږی یم.
I am thirsty. I am thirsty.
زه وږی او تږی یم.
I am hungry and thirsty.